students. The apparatus required for the preparation of carbon dioxide gas in laboratory are Wool's bottle, gas jar with lid, then thistle funnel attached with a rubber cork, a delivery tube attached with a cork, few test tubes for the conduct of experiments. Then the chemicals required are few marble chips, then dilute hydrochloric acid, phenolphthalein solution, the next one which is required is lime water, saturated solution of lime, dilute sodium hydroxide solution, then blue litmus paper. It is required to test the acid nature of carbon dioxide gas. Then magnesium ribbon. Now come to the procedure part. तो पहले वूल्स बोतल को लाया जाता है, उसमें we are going to add few marble chips through one of the pores of Wool's bottle. So few marble chips are added here. After that, thistle funnel is attached with one of the holes of Wool's bottle. It is tightly corked. As you can see in the experiment. Then through the thistle funnel, okay, then delivery tube is attached here. Then through the thistle funnel, water is added. So that all the marble chips remain covered with water. So water is added. अब डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड धीरे धीरे थिसिल फनल से डालेंगे. So let us pour dilute hydrochloric acid. अब डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड को थिसिल फनल के थ्रू डालेंगे हम लोग. Okay. So now calcium carbonate or limestone reacts with the dilute hydrochloric acid and carbon dioxide gas is collected by the upward displacement of air because carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air. So you can see here the reaction has already been started. You can see the reaction, effervescence taking place. The bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, you just see here, the reaction has already started and carbon dioxide gas has already been evolved. So this carbon dioxide gas is now collected in the gas jar by the upward displacement of air. As I have already mentioned that carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air. So now we have collected carbon dioxide gas. So let us study some of the properties of carbon dioxide gas. So carbon dioxide gas is now collected in the gas jar. Now let us collect it in a test tube. Lime water is taken in some other test tube. So 1 to 2 ml of lime water is taken in a clean test tube. And the test tube containing carbon dioxide gas is inverted, or the lime water is poured on carbon dioxide gas and then it is shaken. As you can see, transparent lime water has turned into milky. So when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns milky because it forms calcium carbonate. Now when excess of carbon dioxide gas is passed, then the milkiness disappears because here calcium carbonate, which is formed, further react with carbon dioxide and water and forms calcium bicarbonate, which is colorless. So as you can see here, gradually the milkiness is disappearing if excess quantity of carbon dioxide is passed. All right. So the milkiness has already been disappeared. This is because of formation of calcium bicarbonate, which is colorless in nature. So the next experiment is litmus paper test. So if blue litmus paper is moistened with water and it is shown to the gas, then it turns red. So अगर एक मोइस्ट ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को लेके कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस में अगर हम लोग इसको शो करेंगे तो ये ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड बन जाता है. ये इंडिकेट करता है कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो एसिडिक इन नेचर है. सो यू कैन सी हियर ब्लू लिटमस पेपर ग्रेजुअली इट इज टर्निंग रेड. दैट implies carbon dioxide gas is acidic in nature. So just see the blue litmus paper has changed into red. Now again let us collect some carbon dioxide gas in it and try to insert a burning splinter into the test tube containing carbon dioxide gas. So कुछ जलता हुआ लकड़ी का स्टिक अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस में हम लोग शो करेंगे तो क्या होगा, चलो देखते हैं। So our laboratory assistant is doing this experiment. So he has collected carbon dioxide gas in a test tube and now is inserting burning splinter, so it is extinguished. That means carbon dioxide gas is neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion. ना खुद जलता है ना किसी को जलने देता है. However, if we put a burning magnesium ribbon into the gas jar containing carbon dioxide gas, then it will continuously burn. So now you see here, our sir has taken a magnesium ribbon and he is trying to burn it. Alright, so बर्निंग मैग्नीशियम रिबन को अभी हम लोग गैस जार के अंदर डालते हैं और क्या होता है, चलो लेट अस सी. ऑल राइट, सो इट इज़ कंटिन्यूसली बर्निंग. ओके, इट इज़ बर्निंग कंटिन्यूसली, so it is not extinguished. The reason is that carbon dioxide gas reacts with magnesium to form a black and white residue. The black part is carbon while the white substance is magnesium oxide. As you can see here, distinct colors, one is white, another is black. This white substance is magnesium oxide and this black one is carbon. So magnesium reacts with carbon dioxide to form magnesium oxide and carbon. Now let us conduct another experiment. So a test tube is taken. Inside the test tube, few cc of water is taken and carbon dioxide gas is passed through it. This test is conducted to check the solubility of carbon dioxide in water. So पानी ले लिए, फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस हम लोग कलेक्ट किए, उसको सेक करेंगे अभी. So as we go on seeking, carbon dioxide gas has dissolved in water. Now the mouth of the test tube is inverted over a beaker containing water, and if it is released, then the level of water will rise. That indicates that carbon dioxide is soluble in water. It is partly soluble in water. Okay. So when carbon dioxide is second with water, carbonic acid is formed, H2CO3, the formula. So another experiment, a test tube is taken and dilute sodium hydroxide solution is taken inside it. 1 to 2 cc of dilute sodium hydroxide solution and 1 to 2 drop of phenolphthalein solution is added. Alkaline phenolphthalein solution is pink in color, so immediately the solution will turn into a pink. All right, you can see here. Okay, so alkaline phenolphthalein solution is pink in color. Now carbon dioxide gas is passed through this solution, and let us see what will happen. So gradually the pink color of this solution is fading away. Okay. So if we go on passing carbon dioxide gas through alkaline solution of phenolphthalein, then the pink color is fading away, and let us wait till the reaction is completed. So as you can see here, the pink color has disappeared. That means carbon dioxide gas neutralizes sodium hydroxide present in the solution, and thus the solution again becomes colorless.
Peace.